Hello, good morning sa inyo mga tropa, no? So, ang mangyayari ngayong araw is magra-ride ako ng motorsports. So, napaka-extreme lahat ng motorsports dito at I think mapapautang ako ng malaki. Lahat. Nag-cost siya ng 20k. Magra-ride ako ng 5. Ay, ang boring. Mag-isa ko pa rin, guys. So, hanap mo na makakain. Oh my God. Uy, gago! Boss! Boss! Ba't ka nandito? Ba't ka nandito, boss? Ba't ginagawa mo dito? Ginagawa mo dito? Oo! Sports! Ala, nandito si Nelson, guys! Hanggang dito nagkikita tayo. Kailan ka dumating? Noong 24. 24? Uy, meron din si Angge, oh. Ba't kayo nandito? Ba't ka nandito? Gago, surprising tol. Kasi tol, sa nangyari sa mga vlog ko, mag-isa ko lang. Ba't di kayo nagpakita kahapon?
Busy kami, bro.
Hindi ko alam na nandito kayo tol. Pero sige, nandito na tayo tol. Anong gagawin natin?
Ano ba yung water sports na kinuha mo? Ba magkapares pa tayo?
5.
Lahat? Ano? Scuba diving sa amin.
Scuba
Scuba diving sa amin eh.
Hindi yan scuba diving.
Ay.
Valley Ocean Walk.
Walk. Ay, oo, walk.
Ano ba?
Kumuha ka ba ng ganon?
Flyboard.
Paano kung kunin natin lahat tol?
Ako, ayaw ko.
Bakit?
Mahal.
Okay guys, sobrang saya ko. Nandito sila Nelson. So hindi na ako malungkot ngayon mag-vlog mag-isa. Nabalitaan ko pupunta sila pero hindi ko alam na nandito sila. Sa tabi ko. Pero so guys, I'm excited sa activity today. So let's do this and find out. I-team tayo, tanggap natin yun pero mag-enjoy tayo. Worth it lahat ng gagawin natin ngayong gabi. Okay, let's go! Ready ka na tol?
Ang ina mo, ba't ka nandito?
Meanwhile,
Shit, nag-inangay bro. Itch.
Dito na, sa na, Brad.
Can you discount this?
Content na ngayon.
Photographer, I give up. Got different management.
So kailangan ko mag-sunblock guys. So masusunog yung balat natin dito. O naman tol, gagastos ka ng 20 mil sa ganyan tapos hindi ka magkano. So sasakayan namin lahat. Bahala na, magkakautang na ako dito. Bayaran ko na lang 1 year no boss.
Ina mo.
Excited ka na boss? Ikaw? Anong yes? Sumasakit na naman ulo mo. Ha? Excited. So let's go. I will get rid of my camera na. So watch this.
I'm on my prime, I'm feeling like Steph. I get my shot and I promise it's wet. Waited too long, but I told him I'm next. I need my bag, just want me to check. Cable was mine, I ain't taking less. I told them all I'm as real as it gets. Shit be a shit, dog, I'm cutting the net. I thought I told them I came for my spot. They told me time is like money, that's why I done made it. I swear that I'm spending a lot. They never seen the hours I put in to get here. They only just see what I got. I spend my time in the lab all this winter. I swear that the summer is gonna be hot. I cannot lie on this shit. I paid a lot for this shit. They got some money to spend. I got some money to get. I gotta talk on this shit. I swear I told them I'm here. I feel like I'm in the league. I just keep making these hits. Took a little break, but I swear that I'm back. Go and ask anybody, put a city on the map. They was tryna call when they sent a contract, but I never reply unless they send it for the max. Everything I said, man, they know it's all facts. Told them if they want a verse, then they go and get text. Told them last year that I'm coming for it all. Go and check the numbers, dog, I'm putting up stats. Yeah. I'm on my prime, I'm feeling like Steph. I get my shot and I promise it's wet. Waited too long, but I told him I'm next. I need my bag, just want me to check. Cable was mine, I ain't taking less. I told them all I'm as real as it gets. This shit be a shit, dog, I'm cutting the net.
Tol, balita ko di ka nakatayo doon, tol ah. Ayan, si Kuya.
Putang ina.
Ano sabi mo?
Putang ina.
Putangin na daw. Hindi namin tinuro yan, alam niya. Putangin na daw. Oo. Huwag mo na panoorin sarili mo, tol. Huwag mo na panoorin sarili mo, tol. Tapos na yung activity ko today. Kakain na kami next. Kunin ko lang yung deposit namin ng susi doon sa locker room. Makan kami, ha? Makan kami with Nelson and friends. Okay, thank you so much, sir. Say hi to my vlog. Ano yun, nagsayang ka ng 6,000, di ka nakatayo. Anong ginagawa mo sa buhay mo ngay, bro? Hindi na video. Di ka nakatayo, bro. Saan si ano, kuya? So, ayun. Tapos na kami mag-resort. And sasakay ko na lang sila Nelson.
Thank you, pare.
Kuya, say hello. What's your name again? Whole name?
Agong Ari.
Agong Ari. Okay, same name as me. So, okay guys, maraming salamat. Sana nag-enjoy kayo sa video na to. Please like, share, subscribe. And see you next week. Bye-bye.